right, it's time for another countdown to Christmas. Here's our card from Jenny and Ron, and it says, "Dear quilting friend, there's something truly magical about this time of year. I find myself reflecting on all the ways quilting connects us through fabric, through memories, and through moments shared even from afar. Whether you're traveling to see loved ones or staying wrapped in the comfort of home, you're in my heart with every stitch of the season. Tucked inside this box are 25 merry little surprises, each one handpicked with care, creativity, and a whole lot of love. Whether you unwrap them first thing in the morning or save them for quiet evenings by the glow of your sewing machine, I hope each gift brings a smile and a few peaceful moments doing something you love. You are such a special part of the Missouri Star family, and I am so grateful to share this season with you. Here's to finding beauty in the little things, magic in the making, and joy in every stitch. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to you and yours. Love, Jenny."